Hello guys, welcome back. Friday episode. Wow, there's some snow around. Yeah, just sort of starting my garden because it's nice and warm out here. Over the winter my garden turns into a bit of a spare parts. We've got some wheels down there, we've got Mk1 windscreen just sitting there carefully with snow. Got, I think it's a Mk1 bonnet. Later Mk3 bonnet, later windows, I think. Yeah, where did they come from? Not too sure. Maybe they're Mk1 windows. Mk3 door. So yeah, have to tidy all this up in a few months when it finally gets warm. So a couple of little parts arrived. Let's go check them out in the garage and do a little bit of work before it's tea time. It's getting cold. Back in my lovely warm garage, which yes, I must tidy up. So just some MIG welding shrouds. So I need the shroud off this one. I need to buy some more really. What has turned up finally, not my fault, the reception at the office hid it away. I had it a few weeks. There's some Mk1 hinges. Hello, get yourself inside. So daughter just home. So yeah, Mk1 hinges going for silly money. Trying to do this sort of on a budget. So just picked up some aftermarket ones that just come on eBay. Some on the usual mini people sell them. So hopefully the originals have the pressed steel sort of thing, so they've got like a little groove pressed out. So at least we can get the bonnet fitted and that will help us line the front up. So yeah, they do. I thought they came with some more washers actually. Should go check the bag before I threw it away. No more nuts and bolts. So have to do that ourselves. And yeah, very good. What I'm going to have a quick look at is the seat cross member. Let's see if we can get a little bit done on that, see what we do. Okay, this is a Magnum cross panel, cross member. What I might just do is, well, the first thing I'll just do is going to check the width, just see if it actually fits in the car. Because if you remember, I left the centre section at the moment because I've done that before. I've sort of chopped the ends off and just welded them back on again. Did that with jet black, just saves, you know, going around the floor there. You know, if it's all solid, try and leave as much metal as you can. But let's see. So that's the two options I've got at the moment. One, leave that there, cut this to suit. Two, there's not much left, grind it all off. Leave a little bit where the handbrake lever goes, and we pop this all on. But what we can just do to start with is we'll just push it right across the whole car. It gives us an idea of the width of the car. So that's gone in between the two. So at least that shows you that I haven't made the car too much wider. Or too, well, I've made it too wide, or it's definitely not too narrow. So yeah, what are we going to do, guys? I'm starting to think now we should just cut what's left of that tunnel out and then not faffing around with any nice joins or any bad cuts. We can then use just our air rivet, air popper gun just to make some holes along there, and it goes in. But before anyone shouts at me, that's in back to front. There we go. Seat holes at the front. Okay, yeah, so let's grind the middle out and see how it fits. I think that's the best bet. I'm going to go from there. I don't know what else I was going to say then. Oh, I have heard about the fit not being brilliant on the floor but we'll deal with that once we've managed to get it fitting. Wow, apart from being damn cold, I call that a successful half hour. I'm just having a look. Cover your ears, I'm just going to bang a bit. So, yeah, unless I've done it slightly wrong, it's just catching on the, it won't go down far enough, because I'm thinking that it's slightly different for the later Mark ones that have this push start. This is where the original push start was. They moved it up into the later Mark ones, up in the dash, but they still left the press in there. So that curvature just isn't quite right, so it's taking about half an inch and it's not sitting down. So I'm pretty sure, I think I spotted that when I was ordering it. I ordered the very early round Mark 1 one, but Mark 2 ones, but because the later ones are like, they're not round, but they're not square either. You know, they're much more flat at the tunnel. So yeah, so we're gonna have to modify this curvature slightly, just around the front here that I'm pointing out that you can't see, just to bring it in. It is also where I've repaired it, so I might have not repaired it that well, and it could do with just being a slight tap. It mostly doesn't need much. I might even just do that. I'll see. I need to check the internet, see if it is actually meant to have a bit more of a slightly different notch out one side or not. Maybe it's not. I think maybe, I'm starting to think now that it's mostly where I've just repaired it. I've cut the corner off too much, and it just needs a bit of fettling. But to be fair, it's sitting quite well. A bit high that side, but that's fine. It'll just go down. Looks like it's, yeah, okay. Looks like it's riding. It's a little bit higher than the original box section, but I don't think it's going to make too much difference. Hopefully the purists won't too mind. So yeah, the fit around where the floor comes up at an angle to the thing, all looking pretty good actually. But again, Magnum floors, Magnum box. I'm not saying that they're going to fit. I know Magnum do get a hard press, and some of their panels are a bit pants, and they are slightly thinner metal. But these are just old stuff. But anyway, my nose is running. I'm quite cold, but thanks again for letting me making me come out. And again, thank you for all the praise last night, all the thank yous from the winning the award. I'm really going to try and get this done for June now. I'm not going to rush it too much, but you know, I'm going to put the effort in to try and get it done, as well as a race car. It's got to be done for June as well. Whether it all something's going to give, who knows. As you said, the race car's got a bit more of a deadline. This isn't a definite deadline, but it would be nice to have it at the award ceremony, and because that's what it's all about. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there because I call that progress on a cold, very cold day. But yeah, we'll get a bit more done over the weekend hopefully, and we'll come back and all good. So yeah, let me know any questions, or you want any better shots. Sometimes people want angles, things. But anyway, that's it. What am I having for tea? Sausages, chips and beans. Brilliant. Alright, have a good weekend. Stay safe, drive carefully. Cheers, bogies.